Welcome to Healthspectra, your go-to channel for a spectrum of health and wellness solutions. Today, we're diving into an important topic, urinary tract infections, or UTIs. These pesky bacterial infections predominantly affect women worldwide, making early detection and treatment absolutely crucial. Luckily, we've got a handy resource right at our fingertips, At-Home UTI Test Kits. Let's explore how these kits can help us monitor our urinary health and take action when needed. Understanding UTI test kits is key. These kits offer a simple yet effective way to diagnose UTIs at home, detecting key indicators like nitrites, white blood cells, or bacteria in our urine. With just a collection cup, test strips, and maybe a digital reader, the process couldn't be easier. And when it comes to selecting the right kit, we've got some important factors to consider: accuracy, ease of use, timeliness, and affordability. Because when it comes to our health, we want reliable results that won't break the bank. Now let's get to the good stuff, our top 5 UTI test kit recommendations. Top 5 UTI test kits for at-home detection. 1. Azo Urinary Tract Infection, UTI Test Strips. These widely used test strips offer affordability and precision. They swiftly identify nitrites within 2 minutes, earning praise for their accuracy and ease of use. 2. Cystex Urinary Tract Infection Test Strips. These strips provide a comprehensive 3-minute assessment and detect leukocytes and nitrites. Their user-friendly design caters to users of all ages. 3. Vexia Urinary Tract Infection, UTI Test Strips. These strips offer a thorough evaluation by identifying leukocytes, protein, and nitrites. They stand out for their user-friendliness and comprehensive testing capabilities, ideal for those seeking in-depth monitoring. 4. Stix UTI Test Kit Strips. These dependable strips offer rapid and reliable results within 1 minute, distinguished by their simplicity and affordability, making them a practical choice for hassle-free UTI detection. 5. myLAB Box At-Home STD Test for women and men. Beyond standard UTI testing, this comprehensive solution screens for various infections, including UTIs and sexually transmitted diseases, offering discretion, accuracy, and convenience for comprehensive health monitoring. So, whether you're looking for a quick and easy solution or a more comprehensive approach, we've got you covered. Just check out the links in the description below to learn more about each of our recommended test kits. In conclusion, UTI test kits are invaluable tools for proactive healthcare management, but remember, they're not a substitute for professional medical advice. So, if you suspect you have a UTI, be sure to consult with your healthcare provider for proper diagnosis and treatment. And with that, I'll leave you with some links to explore further and a friendly reminder to take care of yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends. Here's to your health.